Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10. So here I'm going to show you the very easy process to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, to adjust screen brightness, here you can see the option of notifications. Click on notifications. Guys, here you can see this option. So from here you can adjust your brightness like this. But in case if this option is not available here, you have to simply click on start button. Now here you have to click on settings. Now here you have to click on systems. So then you'll find that option here. So from here you can adjust your brightness. But in case the brightness option also not available here, so what you have to do, you have to simply right click on start button, click on device manager. Now in device manager you have to find display adapters. So here it is. So expand the option display adapters. So this is our display adapters drivers. So simply right click on it and click on update drive. Click on browse my computer for drivers. After that, simply click on next. So here you can see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So click on close. Now you have to find the option monitor. So expand the option monitor and again right click on it and click on update drivers. Click on browse my computer for drivers and click on next. So you can see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. After that, close this page and simply restart your PC. So you can see we have adjusted the screen brightness. So you can also adjust the screen brightness by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.